Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Myself Richa Tiwari, and I will be discussing general agriculture lecture with you all. So let's start with the lecture. But the lecture content includes the Ministry of Agriculture and its department. When was the Ministry of Agriculture established and how many departments are there? The agriculture as a state subject, what does it means? Then ASRB, Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board, about ARS exam, about ICR, establishment year, and then the history of ICR. Earlier it was known as the Imperial, and when was the Imperial change to Indian, the organizational setup of ICAR, ICR logo and its motto. Or then at last we will be discussing about the KVKs. The Ministry of Agriculture and its department. Before June 1871, the Home Department was there who deals with the agricultural matters in India. And after June 1871, Department of Revenue and Agriculture and Commerce was set up, and which deals with all agriculture matters in India. And in 1881, Department of Revenue and Agriculture and Commerce in this department, and commerce was excluded from that, and Department of Revenue and Agriculture was set up, which deals with the combined portfolios of education, health, agriculture and revenue. However, in 1947, Department of Agriculture was redesignated as the Ministry of Agriculture. And recently, on August 2015, the Ministry of Agriculture was renamed as the Ministry for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. In the next slide, we will be discussing the agriculture comes under the state list. But before that, I will be explaining you what is the state list, what is union list, what is concurrent list. So according to the article 246, the union list includes that matters in which the parliament has authority to make the laws. And in the state, the legislature has authority to make the laws, and in concurrent list, both parliament and legislature has authority to make laws. So agriculture is an state subject according to the 7th schedule of the constitution. It means that a state has the full autonomy over the agriculture matters. So the question arises that the center does not have any authority to make laws, but there are 5 extraordinary conditions in which the center can make laws in the state subject. Okay, but we will be not going in depth because that will be the part of the polity, and we have to discuss according to the agriculture only. Now, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is a branch of Government of India, which is the apex body for formulation and administration of rules and regulations and laws related to agriculture in India. An agriculture ministry is headed by the Union Minister of Agriculture. So, who is the present Union Minister of Agriculture? That's right, Narendra Singh Tomar is the recent Union Minister of Agriculture who has been appointed in 2017. The former one was the Radha Mohan Singh, who was the 32nd and Union Minister of Agriculture, who worked for 2014 to 2017. Now, the usually asked question is, who was the first agriculture union minister? So the answer will be the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first agriculture union minister, who was appointed in 1946 and who worked till 1948 as the union minister of agriculture. There are ministers of states also, and the present one, and the 2 ministers are there who has appointed as the ministers of state. The first one is the Kailash Chaudhary and the second one is the Parshottam Bhai Rupala. The former one was the SS Ahluwalia. The next slide, in this slide, I will be showing the different departments which comes under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So there are three important departments. The first one is the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and the Farmer Welfare. The second one, the Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. And the third one is the Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. In something, the Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries comes under the Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. That we will be discussing in a later slide. In all the three departments, the administrative head are the secretaries. Okay. Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and the Farmers Welfare. How many divisions are there, how many attached offices are there, and how many subordinate offices. Only this much is more than sufficient, and as in the previous slide I have already told कि the secretary is the administrative head. So who is the secretary of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare? Only this much we have to know. Okay, so there are 27 divisions in Department of Agriculture, Cooperations and the Farmers Welfare, in which has 5 attached offices and 21 subordinate offices which are spread across the country for coordination with state level agencies and implementation of the central scheme aims in their respective field. And Sri Sanjay Agrawal is the Secretary of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and the Farmers Welfare. Now, the second department is Department of Agriculture, Research and Education. In short, we can call it DARE. The DARE coordinates and promotes the agriculture, research and education. And it has the 4 autonomous body under its administrative control. The first one is ICAR, that is known as Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and then the 3 central universities. First one is the Central Agriculture University, which is located in Imphal. The second one, the Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, which is in Bihar. And the third one is the Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University, which is in UP. Earlier, the ASRB was included in ICAR, and then it was delinked and directly connected with the DARE. And the DARE is also a nodal agency for the international cooperation. It liaises with foreign governments, UN, CGIAR, and other multilateral agencies for cooperation in various areas of agriculture research. So what is UN? I will be asking this question to you all. You can give your answers in the comment box. And what is CGIAR? That also you can give in the comment box. And we will be discussing about this UN and CGIAR in my later lectures. But over here we will be discussing about the DARE. So the function of DARE, that is, it's a nodal agency also, and it also coordinates its admissions of foreign students in various Indian agriculture universities. The next was, when was the DARE established? DARE was established in the year 1973 in the month of December. It has 2 members, the secretary and the chairman. And the secretary, I have already told, was the, what was the answer? Secretary was the administrative head. And who is the secretary? The Director General of ICAR is appointed as the secretary of the DARE. And the recent Director General of ICAR is Dr. Trilochan Mahapatra. And then the chairman is there, And the state ministers of agriculture is appointed as the chairman of the DARE. And in previous slide I have discussed and who was the state ministers for agriculture. The right answer is the Kailash Chaudhary and Parshottam Bhai Rupala.